Hey, my name is Sam, and I'm a full stack developer, or you can call me just a tech, who loves to share tips and tricks. Do you ever wanted to learn how to make a website, a desktop application, or even a playable game? Well, if answer is yes, then I have to tell you that when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you're gonna learn more about web and desktop applications development, as we also gonna have some fun developing games and experiment with many new techniques and technologies. Not to mention that every single week I will be uploading 1 or 2 videos. So please, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel today. And make sure you hit the bell and turn on notifications to never miss any future content. Thank you everyone, and see you soon.